Good day, everyone. How are you doing today? I hope that all of you are doing good. Welcome to another episode of Learning with Teacher Giselle. For today's topic, we will discuss the component physical education, and we will discuss Module 2, Week 2. Our topic is all about physical activity index and fitness components. As a review, using the mnemonic lifestyle, examine your own lifestyle and fill in words or phrases that describe your best habits of maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Take note of the given example. Letter L, love what you do. I, include fruits in your diet. F, focus on your priorities. E, eat vegetables. S, socialize. T, think positive. Y, yes to optimistic people. L, less negativity. E, exercise your body. This is an example of mnemonic lifestyle. The criteria or the rubrics for grading your work would be as follows: 25 points for the content. Is it appropriate and clear? Does it have a correct construction? And 25 points for creativity, selection, choice, and arrangement of words, for a total of 50 points. Is that clear? That's good. And as mentioned earlier, one of the topics that we will discuss for today is all about physical activity index, or what we call PAI. The Physical Activity Index, or PAI, do have three indicators. We have intensity, duration, and frequency. For the first indicator, which is intensity, you will be checking the kind of activity that you do and check what is the corresponding score. For example, the activity that you do is cycling or biking. So the corresponding score based on the table under intensity would be 3. Now that we have established your score for intensity, let us go to duration, which is the second indicator. Let's say, for example, that you do cycling or biking for over 30 minutes. Your corresponding score would be 4. We already have two indicators. First, intensity, which is 3, and duration, which is 4. Now, let us proceed to the third indicator. Let us establish how many times per week does the said activity is being done. So for example, you do it 5 times a week, your score will be 4. Now that we have the data for the 3 indicators, let us check how to compute the PAI. So that would be intensity times duration times frequency equals the PAI total score. So let's try solving it. For intensity, we have 3, which is cycling, 4 over 30 minutes, and 4 for we're doing the activity for 3 to 5 times a week, which is a total of 48. Now that we knew the score, let us evaluate the PAI result based on the table below. So if our score is 48, it ranges from 40 to 59. The evaluation shows that the activity is acceptable but could be better, and the category of the activity based on the result would be fair. Now, let us proceed to the next topic, which is Philippine Physical Fitness Test, or better known as PPFT. During face-to-face, a lot of you do this on your MAPEH class, on the onset of the first grading. So what is PPFT? This is a set of measures designed to determine a learner's level of physical fitness. Now, for the components of physical fitness, we do have 2 types of physical fitness tests. First, we have the health-related components, and the other one is skill-related components. For For our health-related components, we have cardiovascular endurance, muscular endurance, muscular strength, flexibility, and body composition. Cardiovascular endurance is the ability to exercise without becoming overly tired because your heart, lungs, and blood vessels are healthy. The activity on this one would be the 3-minute step test, and the material that you need would be stopwatch or a cellular phone that do have a stopwatch. Next, muscular endurance. This is the ability of a given muscle to exert force consistently and repetitively over a period of time. The test would be partial curl up, and what you need is a yoga mat or any available mat. Next one would be muscular strength. This is the amount of force you can put out or the amount of weight you can lift. So tests on this one would be push up, and you should be in a clean surface. The next one is flexibility. This is the ability of a joint or series of joints to move through an unrestricted plane free from range of motion. Test available on this one would be zipper test, and the material would be ruler. And the last health-related component would be body composition. This is the proportion of fat and non-fat mass in your body. So the test is the body mass index. We need to get it by the formula weight over height squared, and the materials needed will be a meter stick as well as a weighing scale. Now that we know the different health-related components, let us proceed to the skill-related components. Number 1, agility, balance, coordination, power, reaction time, and the last one would be speed. Agility. Agility means the ability to move quickly and easily. The test would be Illinois Agility Run Test, or we can also use the Hexagon Agility Test. The second skill-related component would be balance. This is the ability to maintain the line of gravity of a body within the base of support with minimal postural sway. The test would be stork balance, and the material would be stopwatch. The next component is coordination, the ability to use different parts of the body together smoothly and efficiently. Juggling would be the test for coordination. Reaction time is a measure of the quickness with which an organism responds to some sort of stimulus. The test would be stick drop test, and the material needed on this one would be ruler. The last skill-related component will be speed. Speed is the ability to move all or part of the body as quickly as possible. The test would be 20-meter sprint, and the material needed on this one would be a stopwatch. Now, we are done discussing PAI, the different indicators, how to compute. We also discussed the Philippine Physical Fitness Test, the 2 types of PPFT, and of course, the different components of physical fitness. Now, do you have any questions? Okay, if you don't have any questions, let us proceed with the assessment part. I will be showing questions on the screen, and you tell me what is the correct answer. Question number 1. If a learner got a PAI score of 76, what is her or his activity category? That is correct. The answer will be very good. Question number 2. What is the formula in getting the score for PAI? That is correct. The formula would be intensity times duration times frequency. Question number 3. Give the 6 skill health components of Philippine Physical Fitness Test. That's correct. That would be agility, balance, coordination, power, reaction time, and speed. Fourth question. What test requires a weighing scale and meter stick or a tape measure? That is correct. That would be getting the body mass index. And for our last question, what physical fitness test is done to measure flexibility? That is correct. That would be zipper test. Congratulations! Almost everyone got a perfect score on the assessment. We have reached the end of our lesson. Once again, this is Teacher Giselle reminding each and everyone to strictly follow the health protocols, and God bless us all. This instructional video is prepared to cater our grade 10 MAPEH learners, as well as to share it with the rest of the colleagues teaching MAPEH 10. Thank you for listening. Always remember that quality matters, learning continues, and that MAPEH knows. See you on the next episode.